Hello artists, we're going to learn how to draw water droplets or the illusion of water droplets. So here's what it looks like and here's how to do it. First you're going to write your name on your paper. I'm using an 8 by 10 paper so it'll fit nicely into a frame. Second, you're going to take a ruler and just put it on the edge of your paper and create a frame. Then you're going to trace one big circle. You could use a stencil like this or just a lid. Then you're going to trace 3 cropped circles that go partly on, partly off of your frame. So here I'm just doing part of the circle. It runs into the frame. And now I'm going to be doing full circles, 5 of them. So I'm using littler circles now, so that I have some contrast of big and little. Here I go, tracing little circles here and there. I don't want to let these get too close to each other. Then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to flip my paper back over to the back. I'm going to draw 2 circles on the back that I'm going to use as practice circles. So now I'm going to inlay the detail of the water with some curvy rectangle light areas, and then I'm going to go directly across and I'm going to draw out kind of a V shape that's directly across from those highlighted areas. For this illusion to work, you have to do all of them the same direction. So now I've started with my 2B pencil, and that's not going to be nearly dark enough, so I'm going to switch to my 6B pencil. And now I'm getting that nice, rich, dark black tone in, and I'm only doing a little bit on the top. Now on the bottom, I'm doing the other side of the circle. So I was inside, now I'm outside. Now I'm taking my blending tortillon stick. It's just a rolled up piece of paper, and I'm smoothing out my edges, fading them out. You want to leave a good white area at the bottom of your water and in the shadow of your water. Here I go again, practicing inside on the top half, outside on the bottom half, and blending with my stick, leaving ample white area for contrast. Now I'm going to flip over my paper and I'm going to lay out the details on the front of my drawing. So I'm just going in, making sure everything's going in the same direction. And as I go to each water droplet, some of them are not going to have a whole lot going on because of cropping, placement, and that's okay. We're just putting in what we would see. Laying it in, all consistent, going the same direction. Now I'm going to apply value with my pencil just like I practiced, and voila, the illusion of water. Thank you for watching.